Connects aftermarket radio to factory speaker harness. Includes antenna extension and adapter 15 feet long. This product is manufactured in China. Amplifier retention harness allows you to use the OEM amplifier 5-inch long. This product is manufactured in China. Included components: wire harness, manual. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what I needed. Used this in my 2009 Silverado, without factory nav or OnStar. Worked great. I was able to avoid buying the expensive module, with the only sacrifice being the loss of the chime sounds. No complaints, actually kind of like not having the sounds now. Works great on 2010 Pontiac Vibe, but I did have to go purchase a smaller fuse tap to fit in the mini fuses that are under the dash for the power.